So how do we rate individually for location, like for a state or for a county or for a city? So you need to click here and just select what you want to set it for. So I want to say cities in this case, for example. So you will be able to see London, Glasgow, Eastbourne, Burnley. So everything individually and granular details of it. So you will see, for example, that you can filter by conversions. You will see that you've got covered for this one's in here. You will see, for example, that also if you organize by cost, the most expensive one is London, and it has not generated any conversion in this time period. So what we can do is we can select this one, click edit, and add target and set adjustment. When we add that one, it's going to look like the other one. So it's going to look in the list where we can actually hit individually for them. So it's going to look something like this. So London would appear like here. So this is another client, but obviously I'm not going to change that after client. And so you will be able to click here and bid something that we talked about in the previous video about how can we adjust individually per device. In this case, we could do the same, exactly the same thing per county, per postcode, per city. So whatever you want to analyze the data, like our recommendation is to work state level or city level. With postcode is a little bit too granular. You should have like a lot of data to be able to do that effectively. But in this case, you will see the same thing. So we've got different ones in here based on the performance that we see throughout the weeks that we work with. And it's very, very important that we do this in the right way. Because as you could see, Oklahoma, for example, we can go and organize it by conversion. And you will see that we've got Oklahoma, 2 conversions, quite interesting. And the cost per conversion for that one's crazy small. It's like $1.32. So obviously we want to bid more on that one. We can come here and we tell people, hey, we actually are quite interested in bidding more for this key for this particular region because it's performing quite nicely for us.